Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Hey Des family, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a little haul from Trader Joe's. Everything's pumpkin inspired. It's one of our favorite seasons and we love everything pumpkin, so be sure to follow along and see what kind of treats we have in store.
If you haven't already done so, make sure you like and subscribe us for more episodes like this and many more adventures and surprises and Des food shows. You guys are going to love it. We're going to make recipes, we're going to try different foods, we're going to go and experience different restaurants. We got a lot of stuff coming. Thank you guys for joining us and make sure to join also our Patreon. Oh, let's get started because somebody's hungry.
I think we should try the pumpkin spice hummus. It's a little questionable, but I've heard nothing but good things about it. I don't know. What do you think?
Pumpkin hummus. Isn't it like made with like garbanzo beans or something?
It is, but it's actually supposed to be more of like a dessert. And I've heard that it tastes really good with like apples and crackers. So let's just dive right in.
Do we have apples and crackers?
I don't think so. We have crackers. We have pumpkin and cranberry crisps. So we're going to try it with these.
Alright, let's try those.
So pumpkin on pumpkin. Let's see. Hopefully it tastes good.
Well, let's see what this looks like.
So crack those open.
Here we go. So here's the hummus. Just to let everybody know, I'm not a big pumpkin fan. I know everybody here has a cult following of loving.
We really love cinnamon. I do at least. And I love anything fall. So we're going to give it a try.
Alright, crisp her up. Here we go. This is like Fear Factor, guys. I've never had this before. Here we go. Give it a try, baby.
Yummy.
Give it a try. It looks like the baby doesn't like it. Okay. So it's cold.
Where's mine?
It's cold.
I can't have any? You're not going to share?
Very cinnamony.
Please.
And it has like a pumpkin bread kind of taste to it.
She's being a little stingy with the hummus right now.
She's not a big fan of the hummus.
Okay, I got a little bit. Let's try it.
Alright. What do you think? Come on, how about you, baby? You try one here. Try it? No, you try it. Oh, try it, try it.
It's actually not bad. I would say it tastes very close to like the filling of a pumpkin pie.
I got like the pumpkin bread kind of taste to it.
But consistency wise, I feel like it's like a filling, pumpkin pie filling.
Okay. Well,
You gonna try it, baby?
You gonna try it?
Try it.
No.
Alright, moving on to the next one.
Alright guys, so next on the list, we're gonna try the Trader Joe's brand Greek non-fat pumpkin yogurt. So me and the baby are fans of yogurt. Dave, not so much.
What are you talking about? I'm all about health foods.
So
Yeah, I'm all about healthy eating. Hold on, baby. You want some yogurt?
The
Look at this.
baby's really eager to try the yogurt.
Alright, so it smells like a regular yogurt. Here, baby. You want to try the yogurt? Here we go. Try it.
Yogurt.
She don't want to try nothing today.
I guess she's not in the pumpkin spirit yet.
Yeah, you give it a try. How's that?
It's very yogurty.
Yeah, good description.
Has a weird aftertaste. I like Trader Joe's yogurt, but I feel like that one's kind of a weird aftertaste.
This ain't bad.
Not a huge fan.
What?
You could have it.
What? It's actually pretty good.
Alright, so next on to the list, Alea already opened these. They're basically the Trader Joe's brand Halloween JoJo's. So
Cookies!
essentially, they're just an Oreo,
Cookies!
but they're Halloween inspired.
Inspired?
So it's just like a little
Looks like a little Oreo.
cookie with orange icing.
You want a cookie? Here, baby.
Cookie?
Try a cookie. Halloween cookie. Here, knock yourself out.
Yum,
Go
yum,
nuts.
yum.
Go nuts. Go nuts. Right before we have to go to bed, too. Yeah, no nuts. Go nuts. Eat it.
Try it.
Try it.
No, she already had like 5 of these earlier, so
well.
she's probably tired of them.
Nah, she's probably full.
Alright.
Alright, so give it a try. Did you try it?
Yeah, I had one earlier too.
Okay, great. I'm trying. Yeah. No, thank you.
What?
That was not good. It tastes like peanut butter.
Peanut butter? There's
Yeah.
no peanut butter at all in there.
Yeah.
Anyways, he's tripping.
No. That is, wow. Sorry.
I think the sugars kick in because she's old. Alright guys, so next up on our list are the pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels.
Ah.
They're basically yogurt flavored coating and crushed pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds on top.
What?
Sounds really good to me.
Sounds like a bird food.
And this one is up here playing in the pumpkin hummus. So
That's what it's good for, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, this year, the new thing is pumpkin hummus Play-Doh. Alright, so according to these things have what? Yogurt flavored coating with crushed pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds. That sounds like bird food. Okay. So, I get the taste of a pretzel.
Wash.
I get the taste of the yogurt.
Wash.
let's try one here.
I don't know, maybe with like a warm cup of coffee or
Look at it's a little baby
something
pretzel.
that might go good, but like I said, I'm not a big pumpkin fan.
They're really good.
Yeah?
They're like salty but sweet.
Salty but
Definitely
sweet.
if you want something like sweet and a pinch,
I'm salty and sweet.
really good. Oh yeah.
Wash hands! Wash hands!
No, baby.
There's pumpkin hummus! Alright, so we're gonna try this right here. This is a cinnamon bun spread.
That sounds pretty good.
No need to have some
pretty
cinnamon
full,
buns. Just man. Alright, so I'm gonna give this a try. Just like this. Oh, it looks like caramel.
What's your first impression?
Oh my god. This is crack.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay.
It'll be all over my face in a minute. It's like almost like caramel.
Oh my god.
It's like caramelly, cinnamony.
That is so sweet.
Lele!
Look at.
Here, try this. Here, try this.
Mmm.
Oh, look, Candy! Try it. This is a cinnamon bun spread. Try it. Huh? I'm gonna give you 2 more hours before you have to go to bed.
Try it, baby.
Try it. Try it.
It's
Here,
candy.
look at Daddy.
Yummy. Mommy's gonna try it.
Right. Okay. No. That's the word of the month. No.
It's definitely a little too sweet for me, I feel. I think it would be good maybe like on top of like
Anything.
No. Like on top of
Anything.
toast
No.
or like a bagel.
No. A cheesecake. A nice plain old cheesecake. You put this right on top. You got fire. You got magic. You got all that good stuff that people just love. Right here. This is it right here. Winner for me.
Okay, so next on our list, we're gonna bake these guys here. I'm pretty excited for these too. They're pumpkin rolls, so basically they're cinnamon rolls with a pumpkin glaze. So stay tuned, we're gonna pop these bad boys in the oven and let you know how they taste. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in the oven. Let's read the instructions. It looks like it says to preheat oven to 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I will say that they are a little messy. Mine unraveled, so I had to kind of ravel them back up together. And I lost one of them along the way, so we have 3 now. Cool thing though is that it comes with this little, it looks like a pumpkin glaze to top with once they come out of the oven. So I'm super excited for that. The true test will be in how they taste. Alright guys, looks like these bad boys are done. We're gonna go ahead and glaze them with the glaze that was in the little canister. Serve it up and we'll be right back. Okay, I don't know how we forgot to show you guys this, the pumpkin ice cream from Trader Joe's. This is literally the star of the show. So we went ahead and dressed our cinnamon roll, placed some of the pumpkin ice cream on the side, as well as sprinkled it with a little bit of the pumpkin pie spice on top. Let's dig in and see how it tastes. The whole house literally smells so delicious. Literally a 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. so good.
The other stuff we can't really try because it has to be mixed in and baked and cooked with other stuff. So this is pumpkin pie spice, which is not bad. I think this probably goes well with like a coffee or some kind of like
on top of coffee. We also got this drink too, the organic pumpkin puree. So I'm gonna mix this in with some half and half and mix it up and pour it on top of my coffee, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this pumpkin pie spice on top. And we'll be just like perfect, like a Starbucks pumpkin latte.
Mommy.
That's right.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. And then we also got this bread and muffin mix right here. That is, of course, pumpkin. Real catch. So we probably have to try this. We just have to add just eggs, oil, and water, and it's all good to go. So that's it right there.
And then maybe sometime next week, we're like big on gingerbread houses during the holidays. But we found this guy at Trader Joe's. It's a haunted house chocolate cookie kit. So we're gonna be making that probably closer to Halloween.
Right.
So we're super excited for that.
So we're setting
gonna
that.
open it.
So make sure you guys tune in for another episode. And if you guys love anything pumpkin, like for instance, like your favorite pumpkin drink at Starbucks, or some kind of special pumpkin food that you would like for us to try or maybe check out, make sure to leave it in the comments below, guys. We would love to read it, and we'll maybe give it a try and see if we can. And then also, this is right here. We saved the best for last, guys. This has to be like the number one right here. This is pumpkin buddy butter. What is it? It's
Pumpkin body butter.
Hey kid, those are cookies, not crumbs.
The crumbs now. Okay, so one thing we saved for last is the pumpkin body butter from Trader Joe's.
Try saying that 3 times fast. There goes the hummus.
Mommy.
You got a lot of cleaning to do after this, you know what? So this is supposed to be pumpkin
look at
butter.
lotion.
I'm gonna put some on myself. Oh, I'm gonna try some on myself.
Come on me.
Oh.
It's body butter, not face butter.
Wait, this goes on the body?
On the body.
On the body?
Ouch.
Alright. So do not put it on your face. Put it on your hands.
Look at lotion.
Put it on your arms.
Smell it. Ooh, it's nice.
You know what it kind of smells like?
Smell.
It kind of smells like, you know those stickers that you used to get back in elementary school, the scratch and sniff ones? That smelled like Thanksgiving and stuff? And pumpkins? That's kind of what it smells like. I mean, all over my face, but, you know what? My face is part of my body, so, you know, it's okay, I guess, right? So, there it is, folks. Not bad.
Smell.
Alright, even the baby likes the lotion, guys. Oh, you're just gonna put it on mommy, yeah!
Thank you.
Remember, it's for the body. Alright guys, so that wraps it up. That's everything pumpkin at Trader Joe's. Hopefully there's still some stock left for you guys to go after we just got done cleaning them out. We'll join us next time, guys, on Des Family Food and Des Family Adventures.
Bye,
we'll see you guys later. Bye, guys!